Hello everybody, welcome back. I'm at the Illinois Railway Museum and got a North Shore Line car coming up here. I think this one was built in 1926. We can go for a ride on it. Yeah, I'll get a look at it here. Yeah, I got a correction here. This one was built in 1928, not 26. Yeah, the old third rail setup on there. Yeah, they got to retrofit these with a trolley pole because no third rails out here, and it would be not too safe anyway, or be a problem. It's 600 volts up there. All right, let's get on. There's the controls.
So weird.
It's toasty in this one too. All right.
Yeah, I really hope.
All right, here we go, folks. I like the automatic switches you got here too.
Yeah, this is a nice system.
Yeah. Whichever direction you go, then that's the way the train guides.
What's the radio control?
Yeah. M23. Next stop. Yeah, no, well, it was advertised fireworks, but we don't know if they're having them yet, you know. Things could always change.
I know originally a flooding had canceled.
Yeah, I heard about almost a mishap here, or it did happen a number of years ago, right?
What's that?
A fire here, or almost a fire.
Well, we had a small fire at Line 6 last spring.
Yeah. Yeah, I watched this whole place expand over the last 40 years, 50 years.
I've been a volunteer out here for 46 years. I have seen many, many.
And all the extra track laid out now, too, and all the extra buildings.
All the buildings, big yards.
Oh, I see back there in the background some old Metro Highliners there.
Yep.
Get a better look over there. And behind those freight cars there, you see the top of them.
Highliners over in Yard 5.
Oh, you got more over there? How many do you have? 4 of them? Make a small consist.
Yeah, someday we'll have everything on the main line for the category operation. But we haven't talked.
Oh, okay. I know you got the old IC electric line cars here too. Yeah, the green ones. Yeah, they're real heavy, those old IC cars.
That's why 1972 they telescoped the highlighters.
Yeah.
26th Street. I run these on the car lot here, and I keep thinking it's like running an elevator. These are usually made like that.
But did they park the CTA trains inside for the winter?
No, they're outside behind.
Oh, okay. I remember them here last time, or it's been a while since I've been here though.
We could use this. We've got 600 volts running through most of our buildings.
Yeah, well, what's the CTA runs 600 volts, right? And you can't have a third rail out here too, because you got all the people walking everywhere. That's why you got to retro it to a trolley pole, right?
The CAV did used to run in some areas in the city streets. So they were always equipped to travel.
All right, we finished our circle. Well, that concludes our video, folks. Thanks for watching. Please share, like, and subscribe. Those little things help the channel out and help us grow. Feel free to click on a video or the playlist when the end screen pops up there. Until next time, so long, everybody.